Good afternoon, family and friends. Welcome to another day in paradise, the Dominican Republic. This morning I had an amazing breakfast at the Manga. I had the Dominican breakfast, which was delicious, fresh cup of coffee, and a Dominican fruit dish. At this time, you are viewing from my room the ocean view. And what I would like to do is give you a second to soak in this beautiful view. There is a second option here at the resort. It is the walk-up pool. The only difference is that the walk-up pool does not have the view that I have, the ocean view. It is being blocked by bushes for privacy. Again, I am in a ocean view, and this is the view I see each morning. If you like what I am giving and sharing, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section and I will respond to them. This is Journey Tales with Amir in the DR, K-Lo-K. Journey Tales with Amir. Thank you and have a wonderful day.